Hi all. Okay, so today I want to be talking about the HP laptop. This is more a entry-level, mid-range laptop. It's the stats. You can see all that, but it's a 11 generation Intel processor, and it's part of the Tiger Lake family CPU. I had a choice between SSD and the normal hard drive, and I preferred to have space. Rewired, I chosen the 1 terabyte because I needed space. But these laptops do come in with various different hard drives. So it's, if you go SSD, you could maybe even pick up one for, the one with a 256 or 512. Alright, as I said, it's a HP laptop 15 DW300 3NI. Alright, so let's have a look at it and see what the laptop looks like. So I'm just going to quickly open it up. Alright, so let's have a quick look. I have to use a knife. Yeah. Alright, so it comes like this. On the left is obviously the power supply and the cords, and put on there, and then of course the laptop itself. Packaged like that. Notice there is setup instructions. Then the laptop itself, to take it apart. So basically you got a HDMI. So that's HDMI. There's your RJ45 LAN. That's a Type C USB. It's nice for your cellular devices, mobile devices, and even your GoPro. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. And then you have on this side a further two USB ports, and then of course you have on the left here you have an SD memory slot. So yeah, so that's what the laptop looks like. And if you open it up, you have the cover, and then as you can see on this side, to maybe bring it up, it's your graphics Iris Xe, and then of course the Intel Core i5. Right, I'm just gonna boot it up quickly. Alright, so I've had to go through all the intros, Microsoft updates, and whatever else that you do on a new laptop, and then I'll get back to this screen. So I just wanted to show you, if we go to start, control panel, you go system, and you go right down there, you basically have an idea. Let me see if I can get a bit closer. You have basically the specifications is RAM is 8 gigabits, the obviously 64-bit operating system, and then the processor is the 11th generation, Core i5 1135G7. The only thing here that I'm going to definitely change is the Windows Home. That's, I definitely want to upgrade to Windows 10 Pro. Something that you also got to keep in mind with this laptop, it doesn't have an optical or DVD, so it is something to look into. But you know, these days we use basically memory stick. What I do find, this is a bit annoying, this part here, it's just, you know, you gotta just make sure it's that way, so it gives you access to the USB ports. Because if you leave it like that, if it's like that, for example, you know, you will have a problem. So it's just a small little thing that you got to change there. But yeah, that's basically the HP laptop. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.